welcome to Audrey channel. Today we have all these magic trick bars. No, I mean a game for you guys to play. These are not technically magic tricks. If you guys win, you get this, or I'm gonna open it. Okay, so we have all 2 grocery games. All of them have 2 grocery games. This one has 2, this one have 2, this one have 2, and this one have 2 grocery games in it. And you guys have to guess which two chocolate bars have 1 shopping and a grocery game in there. Grocery 1, grocery 2, grocery 3, or grocery 4. I give you 30 seconds to choose 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Leave a comment down below which one has 1 shopkin in it. I'll give you 3 minutes.
3 minutes?
No, I mean 1 minute. Tell Google.
Yeah, just 10 seconds is fine, I guess.
Hey Google. Hey Google. Set the timer. 10 seconds. Oh. Hey Google. Set the timer. 10 seconds.
All right, 10 seconds. Starting now.
We just keep quiet.
What? Hey Google, stop!
Hey Google.
Hey Google, stop! Hey Google, stop!
Hey
Hey Google, stop!
Hey Google. Stop. Okay, now.
Now we're done. So let's reveal which one had the shopkins. Number 1, grocery number 1. Open it. Can open it. It's super hard. Grocery number 1 had the shopkins. So if you guess grocery number 1, you win. Here's the point. You got grocery number 1. Whoever picked grocery number 1 gets a point. If you guess grocery number 2, you are wrong. So if you pick grocery number 2, you're wrong. If you pick grocery number 1 and grocery number 2, you're right. You could get 1 point. If you pick grocery number 3, you get a point because there's shopkin in there. So if you pick grocery number 4, you don't get a point. So remember to open this now.
Yeah.
Do you think it's the dark brown chocolate bar or is it the light brown chocolate bar?
I hope it's a dark brown. I like dark chocolates.
I don't like. It's
just like a milk chocolate bar.
Yeah, it's not milk chocolate. We got another of these bars. Okay, we open it. We don't need trash. And then let's open it. This one sounds small. Cheese Molly. Let's keep going.
But today is Sunday, right? That's why we have a lot of times.
Sunday I don't need to go to school, so.
Nobody need to go to school on Sunday. Another
this
soda?
guy. Yeah, it's another soda.
Another soda. Yeah, they are cousins.
But they are different
Scummy
colors.
sodas.
Okay, one is under my this. So we got 2 Twinkie sodas. Which one would you prefer?
I prefer the pink one. Red.
That is orange.
Orange. I'm colorblind, that's why I cannot see the color.
What about what color is this?
This is white.
No, that's blue. Okay, so let's open the second one. No, we got something that is
No duplicate this time.
No. You
Okay.
guess what it is.
Croissant.
No, you guys comment down below. Guess what it is.
I guess it's a croissant.
What do you guys get? It's some sort of bread that looks like a bull with the horns. So it must be something. A croissant! If you guess croissant, you're right. Fall asleep. So bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like it on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers. So press the subscribe button.